In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Messenger account. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, go and open your Messenger. After you open your Messenger, all you have to do, tap on this menu at the top right side. Tap on these settings at the top right side again. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says see more in account center. Last option. After you tap on this section, it will take you to your account center as you can see now. Now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says personal details. This one. Under this personal details, all you have to do now, tap on this account ownership and control. Last option. On this account ownership and control, all you have to do now, tap on this deletion or deactivation. Now all you have to do, select the messenger account that you want to deactivate under your Facebook account. So I want to deactivate my messenger account under this Facebook account. So scroll all the way to down and tap on this deactivate. As you can see now, is select deactivated. So tap on this continue button. Now all you have to do now, in order to deactivate your messenger account, you may go into you miss your Facebook page. As you can see now, here is my Facebook page. If I deactivate my messenger account, I will miss my Facebook page. So tap on this continue. Now it will ask you to type in your password before you continue. After you type your password, tap on this continue button. So now it will take you to this option and choose a reason for deactivating your messenger account. So just tap on this last option. So just type like no need. After you type this no need, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. Now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, since you want to deactivate your messenger account, as you can see now, here is the option for the messenger. Make sure you check on this option. So if you check on this option, as you can see now, tap on this deactivate my account. So by typing on this deactivate my account, now it will deactivate your Facebook account and your messenger account as well. Since your messenger account is under your Facebook account, so you must deactivate your Facebook account before you deactivate your messenger account. That's it guys. If I tap on this deactivate, it will now deactivate my messenger account and my Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.